Now that you've completed the concentration study, you're ready to move on to the cleaning study. It's an important step in the process to get a first indication for what type of cleaning procedure is going to work best on your application. Let's check in with Kira as she demonstrates how to prepare for a cleaning study. The most typical cleaning procedure involves two chemical cleanings. First, an acidic cleaning, and then a caustic cleaning. For the first cleaning, measure out the appropriate amount of acidic cleaner and mix it with 12 to 15 gallons of clean water. Once the cleaning solution is well mixed, start the VSEP at low pressure, approximately 30 to 50 psi. Double check that the vibration frequency and the amplitude are set to 3/4 inch. Be sure that the concentrate, permeate, and bypass are all going back to the feed tank. If possible, make sure that the concentrate and the bypass lines are submerged to avoid excessive foaming. Recirculate the chemical cleaner for approximately 45 minutes. If possible, use a hot cleaning solution at 50 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes of recirculation, flush the system with clean water to purge the VSEP of cleaning solution. At this time, if you have a single-step cleaning procedure, take a water flux reading to evaluate the effectiveness of the cleaning. If you have a two-step cleaning procedure, repeat the process with the second cleaning chemical. Specific cleaning procedures can be provided by New Logic Research. Thank you for watching our video. We truly hope you found it useful. Please remember you can always refer to the manual for more detailed information.
Thanks for watching. Our experts are always standing by to help you.